Thanks, Jackson. Now that it's winter, students in MEP are working on their heating skills by taking apart furnaces.
Right now we are in the process of disassembling all of them and putting them back together, and you have to check that it works before and after.
Students seem to enjoy working on these furnaces.
Personally, I do really like working on the furnaces. I'm pretty good at ripping them apart, still working on putting them back together.
Oh, I love it. I just love working with my hands, love doing tech things, you know.
They are learning a lot from this experience.
I learned like how to actually take it apart and like actually know how to work on it and maybe apply it to a house maybe later on in the future.
I've learned that that there can be many things wrong with the furnace and you don't even know it until you actually look at it.
I've definitely learned a lot more how furnaces worked, and I know like the integral components of a furnace a lot better now.
Hopefully, with the students' new knowledge, they can keep our building warm all winter. I'm Colin Jones, reporting for The Edge.